Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron. A few weeks ago, I received a single pack of iFlight 04 ND filters for my iFlight Cineflow 5, which has obviously the DJI 04 air unit built right into it. So unfortunately, the original ND filters didn't fit the 04 camera. When I reached out to iFlight to give them the heads up about this, they informed me that a revised set of ND filters was in development and that they would send them to me once they were in. That's the second set right here. So not long after that, iFlight sent me what they claimed to be was an updated or newer version of the ND filters. This is the version 1, this is the version 2. However, to my disappointment, this second set of ND filters didn't fit the 04 camera properly either. So by this point, I was a little bit confused, especially since some pilots were reporting that their iFlight ND filters were fitting the 04 unit properly, which mine were not. So that left me a bit confused whether they sent me the old version again or this was actually a newer version. So adding to the confusion, the packaging on both of these are exactly the same. There's no difference on the front or back to differentiate like a version 1 or version 2. So in short, the simple fix is rather than dwell on the issue, I decided to try this quick fix and it worked. I took a small piece of sandpaper, gently sanded down the inner edges of all the ND filters that I had. It only took a few minutes and the results worked perfectly. The ND filters now fit securely without requiring excessive force to attach or remove them. So in this video, all I wanted to do was just share my findings very quickly and where this issue is at. I'm sharing this fix in case you've been following the iFlight ND filter situation from my original video, or you're dealing with the same problem. I plan to reach out to iFlight again and report my findings and suggest they review again with the manufacturer to see what's going on here. I don't know if it's a quality control issue or something else. Again, some of the folks within the last week or two of me posting this video are saying that their ND filters are now fitting properly, whereas originally they were reporting a problem. So final thoughts on this. Despite the minor hiccup, I'm still incredibly impressed with the new iFlight Cineflow 5. It's been performing exceptionally well, and I posted a video just the other day. I'll put that up here in the corner somewhere. So stay tuned. I'm going to post some more videos about this particular quad. So far, I'm extremely impressed with it. The ND filter aside, obviously. That's it for this. I just want to give you a heads up in case anyone else is facing the problem. Just sand down the edges and you're going to notice that it's going to work just fine. Although, again, I'm a little upset that they're not, the quality control coming out of iFlight's or the manufacturer's just not up to par, at least not as far as I'm concerned. When you're paying good money for ND filters, you want what works. You shouldn't have to, tweak and adjust and modify on your own, right? So again, that's it for this video. Just want to give you a heads up, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.